What does a usual weekend in my life look like? Well, for starters, I only get one day off in a week because I have college on Saturdays. So most of my weekends look the same, filled with daily chores and catching up on studying the huge amount of syllabus covered in the past week. और जब मैं नहीं पढ़ रही होती तो I'm usually feeling guilty about why I'm not studying. I guess every medical student would relate to this. हम medical students की एक बात बहुत unique है. You have these expectations from yourself कि you have to make the most of your weekend. That includes studying for long hours. And when you're not studying, you think that you're doing something wrong, which is not really true. I don't think कोई भी survive कर पाएगा 24/7 working like a robot. So there's nothing interesting to see, nothing fun to record. But this weekend, I traveled 14 hours in a bus to see one of my favorite music artists live. I am very excited today because I am finally gonna go watch Lifafa live. My favorite band is PCRC and I was introduced to this band 2 years ago, and ever since then I've just fallen in love with their songs. उनकी एल्बम में ऐसा एक भी गाना नहीं होता जो मुझे पसंद नहीं आता, और उनकी सारी एल्बम्स मुझे पसंद आती हैं. And I've been chasing them for 2 years now, but कभी अटेंड करना हो ही नहीं पाया because when I'm in Pondicherry, they go to Delhi, and when I'm in Delhi, they go to Bangalore or Mumbai. PCRC का frontman है who goes by the name of Lifafa. So when I realized कि he's coming to Hyderabad, I was ready to leave everything and travel 14 hours in a bus to see him live. So that's what I did. So yeah, I'll tell you how the show goes.
How was the show?
It was nice until he was sober. Just kidding. बहुत अच्छा शो था. It was everything that I'd hoped it would be. That's one thing off my bucket list. I hope I get to see PCRC soon though. But yeah, with this, my weekend came to an end. These were probably the most beautiful days of the year yet. And there is something very comforting about the fact that मैं ये phrase इतनी बार बोल चुकी हूँ इस साल. You know, I promised myself कि हर महीने at least एक weekend I'll have to myself. Just so I can do whatever I want, despite the consequences, you know. So whether that means going somewhere new, being with the people I love, creating something, creating these vlogs, or simply skipping classes to sleep. You know, I used to worry a lot about everything, about every little consequence. I used to feel anxious about skipping classes, about doing anything slightly out of my routine. It took a long time to care a bit less, you know. It took active effort to become free-spirited. And now that I am, I'm glad I did that. पढ़ाई के beyond भी एक life है, you know. Career के beyond भी there are experiences for you to experience, and there are places for you to go to. And now, these weekends are just an attempt to avoid that burnout. Just a chance for me to seek that balance between responsibilities and adventure. It's just my attempt to feel free, you know.